Welcome to Burlap Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling the hardware path. Install the latest Citra and confirm your controller or phone app is recognized. Once done, pick a game that uses gyro or tilt. That matters because not all titles map motion. Then open Citra and navigate to Emulation, Configure, Controls, choose the motion-capable input mode. You do this now so the emulator exposes X/Y/Z axes and options. Make sure the device is plugged in or paired. Otherwise, now you map the axes. Open the Motion tab and pick your controller or remote app from the device list. You will bind X, Y, Z axes to the physical gyro or to a virtual stick. Assign each axis one at a time and confirm the indicator moves. Next, tweak sensitivity and dead zone so small tremors don't register. This prevents drift during gameplay. Perform a quick test motion and watch the on-screen indicator move. If it reacts, you're ready to refine per game. Finish by refining. Load the game, enter in-game motion calibration, and match those settings with Citra's sensitivity so motion feels natural. If you notice drift, increase the dead zone, recalibrate the device, or rebind axes. Small changes fix most issues. Save a control profile per game to avoid repeating setup, and export that file as a backup. One troubleshooting tip. If motion is unresponsive, restart Citra after reconnecting the device. A quick restart often reinitializes the gyro feed and resolves the problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.